What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we got this beautiful EMEYA 600 GT SE that we have right in front of us. Now previously you have seen the video where the wheels were different color, right? But this time around it's a silver color with some black housing kind of a cover. Looks amazing too. As you can see, it says EMEYA 600 right here, but this is the EMEYA 600 GT SE. Now the car comes with a parking pack. The car does not have any soft close doors. It comes with a intelligent glass roof, no massaging seats, and the seats are fabric lining. So let's start off with the front, guys. This right here is the DRLs. As you can see, beautiful light design of a front DRL. Now the rear lights are hiding underneath here. You can't really see it, right? Because it's beautifully done. I love the cut that's happening right here and the opening for the air to flow through at the side. Now down here you get your airflow for the battery cooling purposes. Right down here it's in this gloss black finish happening all over the place, so that's absolutely stunning. You got your 360 camera located right here in the center. Your badging also is in yellow and black. Number plate holder goes right here. This car has a lot of sensors happening all over the place. Now once again, the lines on the front hood looks absolutely sporty. Can you see that? The light in the showroom here really helps a lot, and that's what makes this car even more amazing. So the previous versions of this car, you normally had a LiDAR somewhere around here, right? So in this case, since this car does not have the option to go with the LiDAR, that whole piece is taken off. So for the disc brakes, you're using drill disc brakes, 6-spot caliper in black, as you can see, Lotus right there. Yellow and black badging similar towards the front. 5-spoke silver with this black housing, looks fantastic. Now Pirelli tires is what they're using. Tire size for this is, where is it located? Down here. So it's 265/40 R21. So looks good. The wheel looks good. The car looks good. And solar yellow is the color. So yeah, once again you got the black finishing at the top right here. You got the black finishing at the side mirror right here, over here, and also underneath right here. So all of these lines and how the way it goes is super stunning. Camera located on this side, and also on this side. Door handles, of course, when you lock the car, the handle goes right in. You have an option to go with this for a camera if you don't want to use a mirror. Let's open this up. Frameless doors is what you guys are looking at. Once again, this does not have the soft close doors, so when you close it, let me just show it to you guys. If you do it like this, it doesn't suck and close. So that's kind of different. Got the black railing that goes across the whole car. Looks stunning. Now on the inside, once these are, as I mentioned before, these are all fabric. Yeah, this is not the magnetite interior. This is the Jasper fabric, sort of like spot interior. Very nice. I like it. This got some suede finish happening right here. CAF audio sound system. You got the carbon fiber finishing on this side, and your manual door handles to open up on this side. Electronic buttons on this side. CAF audio sound system here. You get your EMEYA plate right here. You can peel off this plastic if you wish to. As I mentioned, the seats are super soft and very nice seats, super comfortable and nice. You got your opening right here for space. Carbon fiber finishing over here. You got your 2 cup holders over there. You got, once again, carbon fiber again. Beautiful textured like finish for this whole interior. Ambient lighting is also available for the GT SE. And yep, got some carbon fiber finishing at the top. Alcantara suede finish of a top-like design. Love it. Intelligent glass roof. The whole glass roof, you can actually blade off or clay it off, totally up to you. Looks fantastic, man. Now let's jump right into the side of this. Before we get into there, let's take a look at the wheels. So once again, you got a Pirelli tires, and you also get the 305/35 R21 inch drill disc brakes for the rear also as well. 5-spoke. Looks absolutely stunning. Love the Lotus badging. And for the rear also, you got some suede finish happening right here with some fabric lining for a door finish, carbon fiber finish. You got your CAF audio sound system. You got the manual door openings for your door also as well. EMEYA wording without the plastic on, as you can see, looks absolutely nice. The space in this car is superb, man, dude. Check out the glass roof. Super huge, super nice, super futuristic. Now this is a 5-seater, and of course this one right here, you can actually fold it down and cup holder pops up, so it looks really good indeed. Screen in the back right here, you can change the color to make it a bit dark. Love the air vent right there, so looking really good. So for the charging capabilities for this car, of course, is located right here, AC and DC. Hopefully you guys can see it. Push that, closes back. Now for the rear, looks absolutely futuristic. Got some opening right here for air to flow through. Love the brake lights, looks stunning as well. Lotus in chrome finish. You got your LiDAR happening over here, and badging. Number plate goes right here. The rear diffuser looks stunning, very aggressive and nice. There are some cars where this whole piece is actually a carbon fiber finish, but once again, no, it's fully spec'd up. This wing cannot move. Normally, the other specs you can. And 12 volt socket to charge. You can fold down the rear seats if you wish to. Compartment storage to keep your warning triangle and also your first aid kit. Sorry, not first aid kit. This is your tire repair kit. And let's try and fold down the seats to show you guys the space inside this car. Let's push this down. Take a look. Amazing space that you guys get. What about the other side? You can do the same over here as well. Check that out. Absolutely spacious and very, very nice indeed. Spacious, man. Beautiful car. Now let's take a look at the driver's seat. Once again, okay, so for the driver's side section, you have a lot of other things that you can do. Carbon fiber finishing, you got your door opening, window adjustments, child lock for the rear. At the same time, you got your side mirror adjustments. Opening up of the doors, manual, boot, CAF audio sound system, another one right here. Suede finish, love it, very nice. Sport pedals, you get the chrome finish at the side of the edges. Carpet comes together with the car, of course. No massaging seats are available for this car, so yeah, seat looks very sporty and nice. You got your ACBC logo right there. Hopefully you guys can see it. Once again, sporty steering wheel, flat bottom, super futuristic and nice. You got your regen braking over here. You got your driving modes over here, and it looks very, very sporty and nice, guys. Beautiful. Now let's turn on the signal lights to show you guys how do they look like. Of course, the side right here, you get those. And then for the both DRLs, so one of it pops up in that such a very, very nice way. Now for the rear, let's try and fold down the rear boot to show you guys how does the back actually look like. So as you can see, check that out. Super nice, right? I like how it waves from one corner to the other. Looks really good. So now let's turn this off and take a nice cover photo for the front. But before that, let's show you guys the main lights. They are actually hiding right down here. So these are the main headlights. Beautifully done. Let's take a nice cover photo for the front right here. Looks beautiful. So yeah, awesome, guys. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Lotus Cars, do head down to Pavilion Damansara Heights and check out the description below. Get in touch with Ganesha. He'll be more than happy to assist you with this. And yeah, it's a beautiful place to be at. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.